Hello guys, welcome to Daily Tech. Today we are going to be looking into the top 5 apps for the month of April, and the first app we're going to start off with is Data Monitor. As the name suggests, it is an app that enables you to track your data usage split between mobile data and Wi-Fi. It shows you your weekly data usage, and tapping on the mobile data or Wi-Fi will show a breakdown of the apps and how much data they have used up to that point. Now, tapping on a specific app will show you the screen usage time, the background time, and a lot more. If you were to jump into the setup section, the app will allow you to set up a widget that shows you your data usage. The best way to go about it would be to jump into your widgets by tapping and holding on a blank page on your home screen, going into widgets, scrolling down to Data Monitor and attaching the widgets to your home screen. And there you will have that data at your fingertip. You can also add your data plan to keep you on top of it, as it shows you how much data you have left according to what you've used. The next app is called Blokk. This is a privacy conscious app that helps you block scam websites and trackers while you use your device. All you have to do is turn it on and allow it to do some work. This app has an easy to use interface. Tapping on activity will show you the various apps which are being monitored, how many trackers were blocked and how many were allowed, and you can turn it off. Tapping on activity will show you the various apps which are being monitored. It also show you how many trackers were blocked and how many were allowed. If there is a specific app that you do not want any of the trackers getting blocked, you can also toggle it on or off from the activity section. If you feel the need to adjust the strength of the blocking in place, tap on blocking level and adjust it between low, high and max. Low being for only scam websites, high being for quite a few third-party trackers, and max for maximum blocking. And if you are adventurous, you can also see where most of the block trackers hails from. From your Blokk app, if you were to tap on the area that says blocked today, you will be able to see all the trackers that were blocked. And if you wanted to get some more information as to what apps those trackers came from, you tap on show details and it will show it to you. As you can see, there are quite a few that come from MyLikeYou, Google Play Services, OneDrive, and a few others. Widgetify allows you to convert any web page into a widget, which can be viewed directly from your home screen. You can get it to refresh at various intervals of your choosing. One of the easiest ways to use this is to add the widget to your home screen. Search for Widgetify and add that widget to your home screen. Once that's done, tap on the widget and it will take you to a website, and there you can input the link to the website that you want to widgetify. Now all you have to do is capture the area of your choosing, and once that is done, tap on save. The section you have chosen now stays on your home screen as a widget. Tapping on setting will show you the update interval, which can be set from 5 minutes to 48 hours, which allows you to get it to refresh at specific intervals. There are a few more nuggets of information and in-depth customization that you can utilize, so I would advise you to dig in. It's quite an interesting app. Now, we've talked about creating a widget from a website. How about creating an app from a website? This is where WebApp comes into focus. Once you've installed the app, go onto any web page that you would like to convert into an app, copy the URL and jump back into WebApp and tap on create. It will give you the option to insert the link, and then tap on create and then tap on create to create the app. Tapping on the icon now takes you directly to that link while making it look like an app. The icons can be added to your home screen and used from there. In the app, you can add those apps to various groups and move the groups around depending on what you want it to do. One of the main reasons I use Spotify is Spotify's ability to take the songs I listen to and make comparisons and connection using my historical listening behavior, and then predict what I would like to hear in the future. That's the reason I use Spotify. What Start.fm does is it now enables you to view your listen to songs without the need to wait for the yearly Spotify analytic. This app shows you your own Spotify history and stats. It shows you the top artists you've listened to in your lifetime, or every 6 months or every 4 weeks. By tapping on the artist, it produces more breakdowns like the popularity score, where it ranked on the stream artist ranking, and a few more information which is interesting. Now you can also tap on the top artists within that period, the top tracks, or what genre you listen to. I've just realized that 63% of my tracks are danceable, 55% of the tracks are energetic, 35% of the tracks are acoustics. Yeah, I love this app because it enables me to understand my taste in music, but also gives me a little bit of insight into myself and what I listen to. Here is one more. This is Castro System Info. Castro is an app with a ginormous collection of information regarding your device. When I say ginormous, I mean it. It has a set of tools that allows you to monitor your phone's performance in real time. Now, this app has tried to make it easy for you and is divided into two categories, which is software and hardware. Now, your software will include things like system info, ID, memory, SIM, network, right? And the hardware section is divided into things like device info, display, CPU, battery, sensors. Camera section will display information on all the cameras from resolution to size to color to filter. And if you go to the thermal section, the thermal section will show if your device is currently throttling. As you see, throttling status, not throttling. And the description says temperature does not affect the operation of the device. Now, if you went into the battery right there, the battery will show you the battery level, the remaining time, the status, is it discharging, the health of the battery, is battery good. And this is just one part of it. If you went into the other section of it, it will show you how to export this data in form of a simple text file or a CSV, which is in an Excel format. Now, if you wanted to get it in PDF, you would have to pay premium, but you don't necessarily need it in PDF. So this would be the top 5 or the top 6 apps for the month of April. Let me know in the comments below which apps you've used before or which you've not used. And if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this. And on that note, remain safe and I will catch you in the next one.